Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. Nursery class. Today we are going to learn how to write W on your Al-Hira English workbook. Al-Hira English workbook. First we read English reading phonics sheet. Name of the letter A is A, but the sound of the letter is A. Name of the letter A is A, but the sound of the letter is A. Name of the letter B is B, but the sound of the letter is B. Name of the letter C is C, but the sound of the letter is C. Name of the letter D is D, but the sound of the letter is D. Name of the letter E is E, but the sound of the letter is E. Name of the letter F is F, but the sound of the letter is F. Name of the letter G is G, but the sound of the letter is G. Name of the letter H is H, but the sound of the letter is H. Name of the letter I is I, but the sound of the letter is I. Name of the letter J is J, but the sound of the letter is J. Name of the letter K is K, but the sound of the letter is K. Name of the letter L is L, but the sound of the letter is L. Name of the letter M is M, but the sound of the letter is M. Name of the letter N is N, but the sound of the letter is N. Name of the letter O is O, but the sound of the letter is O. Name of the letter P is P, but the sound of the letter is P. Name of the letter Q is Q, but the sound of the letter is Q. Name of the letter R is R, but the sound of the letter is R. Name of the letter S is S, but the sound of the letter is S. Name of the letter T is T, but the sound of the letter is T. Name of the letter U is U, but the sound of the letter is U. Name of the letter V is V, but the sound of the letter is V. Name of the letter W is W, but the sound of the letter is W. Name of the letter X is X, but the sound of the letter is X. Name of the letter Y is Y, but the sound of the letter is Y. Name of the letter Z is Z, but the sound of the letter is Z. So this is our English reading phonics sheet. Before starting the work, we learn how to hold a pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Put your thumb and your forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and forefinger. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and your forefinger. Then put your middle finger underneath force port, and this is your middle finger. And then put your middle finger underneath force port. So this is the right way to hold a pencil. And don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pull into a fist. These ways are wrong to hold the pencil. Okay, how to write W? Name of the letter W is W, but the sound of the letter is W. Four-lined copy, students, four-lined copy paper will help you write each letter evenly and uniformly. It will also help to distinguish the difference in size of the uppercase and the lowercase letters. Okay, now let's write W. Okay, draw a slanting line from first to third line, and from the end of the first slanting line and draw another slanting line to the opposite of the first slanting line. Then at the top of the slanting line, draw another slanting line opposite to the second slanting line and another slanting line opposite to the third slanting line to write W. First slanting line and slanting line. when you draw two slanting lines, it becomes V. Another V to write W. W, warm. W, warm. Now you have to write lowercase letter w. How to write w? Now you have to draw a slanting line in between two middle lines, another slanting line, another slanting line, another slanting line opposite to each others to write w, lowercase w. How to write w? Draw a slanting line, another slanting line opposite to the first slanting line, which joins the second slanting line joins the bottom of the first slanting line, and now draw another slanting line which starts from the top of the second slanting line. Then start the fourth slanting line at the bottom of the third slanting line to write W. Now you have to trace on these dots. W-O, warm. W-O, warm. W-O, whale. W-O, window. Warm, whale, window. Warm, whale, window. W-O, warm. W-O, whale. W-O, window. W-O, warm. So you have to trace on this warm as well, students. Okay, now good. Now you know how to write W, uppercase and lowercase w letter. So you have to do practice to write W, and you have to complete your English Al Hira workbook work, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.